Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove background with the magic tools in CapCut web version. Now all you have to do, you can open CapCut.com with your web browser and don't forget to sign in. You can register your account if you don't have one and click image, and here we go. There are a template that you can try and talk about remove background. You can use this toolbar, click on magic tools, and here we go, remove background in video and photo. You can click this. Now you can click to upload. You can drag and drop file here. For example, just click this plus button and try to search the picture or image here. For example, let's reload. There's a bug here, unfortunately, and here we go. So you can remove this image background by upload your video here. So once you upload, the video background will be removed automatically. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.